Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable show account related notifications occasionally in Start. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now go to personalization. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of Start. You have to press on it. Now here you can see show account related notifications occasionally in Start. You just have to turn on this button to enable this. So this is how you can show account related notifications occasionally in Start in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.